moving forward, we'll see how we're going to create tools for this agent, how we are going to set up the nodes, how we are going to set up the state for this agent, and then we're going to move forward to this. All right. So before I go into the intricate details of this tool, let me actually have a slide deck, a plain slide deck, so that I can explain each block cell again and again. Let me copy and paste all of them here, and then we can have a discussion on it. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm going to create a new slide. Take the screenshot of this, because this is the way of I like to teach. Instead of running over the code, I would love to explain it using the screenshots so that it is easier for you guys to actually absorb all of this. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go back to sharing the screen. All right. So as I mentioned earlier, that the supervisor, you can call them as agent, or you can call them as tools. So let me actually draw the graph again. So we will have a supervisor agent, and this supervisor agent will have access to tools. This would be a web search tool, and this would be a tool called Python REPL, which helps you in writing the code and then executing it. And based on the quotient that has been given to this tool, it is actually going to route to a specific agent. So if I have to draw it again, so based on the quotient, I'm going to give it this tool. This supervisor would actually detect the intent of that quotient. It detects the intent of this quotient and then route it either to the web search tool or the Python REPL tool. So first and foremost is we are creating the tools, the Tavily search tool and the Python REPL tool. We import it from the library, these functions, and then we just initiate these functions so that they can actually work their way towards it. So this is one set of things that we have initiated the tools. So this is the code cell that actually helps you in initiating the tool. And as we move forward, now you see we are creating a supervisor. And we are passing a prompt to this. This is the prompt for this supervisor, that you are a supervisor that actually manage the conversation between the following workers, and it actually respond and take the task based with their results and status, and then it actually perform those things in a sequential order. So these are the prompt that we have already written to our supervisor, and it is going to adhere to these things, and then they are going to move forward from there. So this is just the gist of it, and we're gonna see this. We're gonna run this cell of block and see how we are moving forward with it. All right. So up till now we have discussed how do we create tools,